Hi. So it is 10 a.m. right now, and we're about to get up and start making pancakes for my mom. It looks like it's gonna be a nice day outside. It's pretty sunny, so I'm probably gonna tan later, maybe go on a drive. We'll see what the day brings us. So happy Mother's Day, everybody. Do something good for your mother. It's breakfast time. Alright, let's go. Happy Mother's Day. You look like you've just been like awoken from a deep slumber. So our sister Grace is still sleeping, probably, and she like never gets up before like 1 or like 12. So we're gonna go wake her up. She's probably gonna kill both of us, but you know, it's Mother's Day. We gotta make our mother some pancakes.
Ready? Yeah. Oh my god, she's already awake.
She's awake.
Get out of me, get up.
You ready to go make pancakes? What did I just say? You ready to go make pancakes? Happy Mother's Day. Where are you?
Right here.
Hello.
Krusty's light and fluffy buttermilk pancake mix.
We're just heating a griddle to 375 degrees. We need 3 cups of mix with 2 cups of water.
Where's coffee? Like actually.
It wakes me up, but just gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna add some blueberries. I feel like this is like a cooking show. Not your boomer. Now we're just going to add some blueberries. You have to feel like a layer. You have to feel like a layer. Alright, now we're cooking 4 strips of bacon for a minute.
Man, she's caught again.
Grace, stop.
Go get your blueberry, guys.
There's a lot of mix.
I mean, wait, what did I just say?
Go get your blueberry, guys. Wrong. Alright.
Some nice
Blueberry pancakes. So you just take 1 ladle and fill it up. Wow. Delicioso. Welcome to our cooking show. Summer Pride. There's a lot of things happening right now. Pancakes are sizzling, bacon is cooking. It's a great day.
Hi, Milo
Aw,
says, he says, Happy Mother's Day.
So we just ate our breakfast, and obviously I didn't want to film that just because it was like our big Mother's Day breakfast and we all just wanted to hang out and talk together. It was so good. So I'm about to go out and tan. This is the bathing suit I'm wearing. It's just this neon green one from Ramwi. If you saw my try on haul, you would have seen it. So cute, so comfy, just a basic triangle bikini. Oh, stop. I think you're so funny, dude. Hello, baby. He's so cute. What are you doing? You're currently outside tanning. The sun is out. It's a great day. No, no, no. Let go. Let go. No. I'm biting my shoes. Alright, so we are currently still tanning, but we're listening to Christmas music now. Because it's kind of cold. But it's fine. Christmas music and hot warm weather. Aww. What are you doing, Milo? Wanna get on the chair? Aww. Oh my god. Oh, Daddy. Aww. Addie, what's your OOTD?
My what?
Your OOTD.
What's that?
Wow, uncultured.
This tie-dye strapless bathing suit from Target
Cute.
and these white bottoms from Target.
Cute. What's your OOTD?
It's from Pakistan.
Okay. Milo, what's your OOTD?
His OOTD is Amish.
Amish? What the heck? Bro,
I'm like
what?
trying to eat my.
You're so cute. You just
Oh my
popped
God.
down. Oh my god.
My hair is stuck in my gum.
Are you serious?
I'm not even
I think we got a little color. If you can see that, there's lines. Just a little. We are going to have a photo shoot later, and I'll probably vlog some of that. And then we're gonna get Panera for dinner most likely. So we're about to leave for our little photo shoot. I'm all dressed up. I'll show you guys the fit later. But yeah, so we're about to go on a quick drive to have a quick little photo shoot and then get some Panera for dinner. So let's go. We're in the car and now we're about to go drive, take some pics, and get some Panera. Wow, this lighting is really nice. Okay, where is she? Say hey, girl.
Oh, hey.
Say hey, girl. Hi.
Oh, grace, oh, grace. Every time you come around, I feel okay. You help me see color.
Photo shoot time.
Right here?
Yeah, we can go right there. Ooh, this lighting's actually really cool. We have secured the Panera bag. Secured the bag.
Big baby here.
And we have some more up here, so we're about to go home and grub. Alright, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Basically, the rest of the stuff we did, we just ate our dinner, and now I'm probably gonna go edit this video and watch some Vampire Diaries and just hang out with the family and with Milo. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life during quarantine. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying healthy, so we can get through this together. But make sure to follow my social medias. I'll follow you back. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. You're perfectly imperfect, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!